how to log into your Chase online banking account. First, you need to open your browser and then search for Chase. Login. And as you can see, it will take you to your login account, this web page. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's see, as you can see, there are many options right here, but you have to be careful because there are a lot of scams involved related to Chase Bank, because there are a lot of scammers. As you can see, these sponsored messages are not the official website, so you'll have to locate the official website first. So the second one, it's the official website right here, or you can just search for Chase right here. It will take you directly to the official website, this one that says www.chase.com. Just open this, and once you are on the official website, here you will have an option to open account, or you can simply sign in. So in order to sign in, click here. This will take you to the sign-in portal of the Chase Bank. So once your login portal is loaded like so, you can enter your username and your password right here. Once you enter your username and password, if you want the website to remember your login info, click this box and then simply click on sign in. But somehow, if you are not able to sign in, make sure to check that your username and password is correct. In case you forgot it, click here. It will ask you for your SSN and your card number. So once you do that, you should be able to recover your account from there as well. And that's how you can easily log into your Chase Bank account. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.